What's up, guys? Pat with Turnover Discs here, giving you another edition of Turnover Tuesday. First up, Vapor Enigma release last week went super smooth. Thanks to everyone that bought. We sold out in about 2 hours, and every order went out first thing Thursday morning. So hopefully by the time you're seeing this, you've got it in your hands. You've had a chance to throw it. Super smooth release. Hope everything goes that way going forward. If you had a good experience, leave us some feedback. Shoot me an email, leave a review on our page on Disc Golf Buyer Feedback, wherever you like. And if you had a problem with your order, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out with it. So customer service is always number one. I take great pride in it. And while you're at it, go ahead and like us on Facebook if you're not already doing so. Like us on YouTube, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because I'm going to keep making them and I want feedback on that too. And of course, everyone that did place an order received a ticket for each disc, each item, each mini for your chance to win this beautiful Cloudbreaker 2. The contest is still going on. You get a ticket in your order for every item you buy in the month of September. Keep buying. We'll be doing the drawing early October. But yeah, don't throw away those tickets. Make sure you hold on to them. They're important. So today, what we're going to do is this afternoon I received a brand new shipment from Discmania. It's got some of the new releases coming out next week and some restocks. So I have not opened the box yet. So I figured let's open it together, show you what I got, talk about it a little bit, and get your first glimpse here. So trusty knife. All right. Let's see what we got. Helps if you cut all the packaging away. All right. First up, right on top, we've got the Primal Run Origins. These are dropping next Tuesday, the 22nd, at 11 a.m. Eastern. MSRP on these is $21.99. I'm going to have them listed on the site for $19.99 when they go live. I'll be honest, I got a prototype in one of the mystery boxes because I'm a fanboy too. I buy one for myself whenever I can. And I'm curious to see how it is. I got the prototype right here. Just looking at it, like first glance, there's microbead on the prototype. It looks like that's not as pronounced on the Primal Run here. The wing profile, it looks a little shallower too. But yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, we'll have the Primal Runs listed, and right below them, we've got the stock stamps available in all 4 colors. I went all max weight on these. I've got 28 in the box. They'll all be available the same time, the 11th, 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Colorado time, etc. So yeah, let's get some of these out of the way because they're all over them. I've been excited for this. I think this is going to be very MD-like in terms of flight. I did not throw the prototype myself yet, but for those that love the MD, I'm confident, based on the way I've heard other people talk about it, this is going to be a disc for you for sure. Man, there's so many of them. Yeah, the regular Neos, MSRP is $19.99. I'll be selling them at minimum advertised price, $16.99 when they go live on the 22nd. So keep an eye out for that. Below them, we have the Meta Instinct. This is very similar in look and feel to Dynamics Chameleon Plastic. It was also a mystery box run, and now they're doing the special edition here for us. Let's see, it looks like I got a bunch of whites and a bunch of blues. These are all around max weight. It's the most overstable plastic that they've come out with for the Evolution line. Yeah, it looks like I've got all whites and blues. 15 of them, which was our dealer allotment. They also drop next Tuesday, the 22nd at 11 a.m. MSRP is $24.99. I'll have them at $22.99 for those of you wanting. So, yeah, I might have to bag one myself because I love my Instincts. They're fantastic. Let's see, below that, I was able to get a few more S-Line FDs. Couple oranges, a yellow, and a couple reds. These are all max weight. They'll be up on the site probably by the time this video is actually visible to you. I'm going to try to get them later tonight. $15.99 for all our stock S-Line stuff there. And I was able to also snag a few max weight PDs, just a couple, 2 reds and a green. I think I got the last 3 max weight available in the dealer store when they released them. Haven't had S-Line PDs out in a while, so I'm excited about that. If you don't throw a PD, you're missing out. It's just a staple it's a staple in the Discmania lineup. It's been around for a very long time. Very reliable disc. And the last thing we have in the box, S-Line DD3 restock. I still have some on the site, but a lot of those are max weight. So when I was able to reorder these, I went for all under 169 stuff, like 165 to 166. So let's see, we got a bunch of day glows, some orangish ones, some more greens, along with a couple more yellow day glows. That seems to be it, but nice lightweight, 166, 168, 167. So if you're looking for some thrower DD3s, also $15.99. They'll be up on the site probably, like I said, by the time this video actually comes out. So yeah, I get excited for whenever a box of discs shows up on my porch, so I hope you guys do too. I just thought I'd share that with you this week. I've got a bunch of tournament stamp stuff that I'm trying to get listed from DD. If you didn't notice, I do have DD on the website, but I've got some leftover Prime Justices and Lucid Vandals and a few other things from tournament we ran this past weekend that hopefully be going up later this week. So stay on the lookout for that. And yeah, thanks for your support as always, and I'll catch you guys next time.